We are Group 6. Today, we are excited to share with you our presentation on nutrient deficiency symptoms of South Pacific Island crops. And our chosen crops is beef. This is our table of contents. It briefly shows what are included in our PowerPoint. I'm Whaatutau Mati, and I'll be introducing the background of our crops, the importance of studying nutrient deficiency, our objectives, and the first section of our nutrient deficiency symptoms. And with me is Whekita Tau, who will be discussing the second section of our nutrient deficiency. And finally, Una Loto Tapu will wrap our presentation up with the third section of our nutrient deficiency symptoms and our conclusion. Background of our chosen crop, beans, or scientifically known as Bacillus vulgaris. It is part of the Leguminosaceae family, and it originated from South America. Some of the common varieties are long beans and dwarf beans. They thrive during the summertime, requiring about 750 to 1,100 millimeters of rainfall, and they prefer a moist, well-drained soil. Why is it important to study nutrient deficiency symptoms? Well, there are several reasons why. First, it helps identify problems out in the fields. This enables the farmers to take actions before major yield loss occurs. Secondly, farmers can prevent costly and environmentally unsustainable practices, such as applying fertilizers indiscriminately. And our third point, knowing how the nutrient deficiency shows up, aids in breeding initiatives to create nutrient efficiency types, which enhance the resilience of the crop. Our objectives for our presentations are to know the different roles of the different nutrients and how they benefit the plants, to identify and describe the visual symptoms of nutrient deficiency in beans, to also understand the impacts that these nutrient deficiencies have on the growth and the yield of the crop. With all this information, we can raise awareness and educate others on how we can manage these nutrient deficiencies and their symptoms. Now let's look at the first section of our nutrient deficiencies and symptoms. Our first deficiency is nitrogen. The role of nitrogen is essential for problem synthesis, chlorophyll production, nucleic acid formation, and overall plant growth. Some of the symptoms that shows on the plants are yellowing of older leaves, stunted growth, or poor pod development. Our second deficiency is phosphorus. Phosphorus plays a key role in energy transfer, photosynthesis, and root development. Some of the symptoms are dark green or purple discoloration of leaves, poor root development, and reduced flowering and pod formation. Our third deficiency is potassium. The role of potassium, it helps with water uptake, enhances nutrient transport, supports photosynthesis, and strengthens plant tissues. The symptoms are older leaves show yellowing first, starting from the leaf edge and making its way towards the center. Marginal leaf scorching, weak stems, and poor pod fills.
To continue on with our presentation, next nutrient deficiency that I'm going to present is sulfur. Role of sulfur is a key component of amino acid and protein, support chlorophyll production, aid in enzyme function, help improve disease resistance. Symptom of sulfur: the uniform of the colors of young leaves, upper leaves then yellowish green, and necrosis or death of plant tissue that occur as shade spot in the leaf blade and margin, as you can see in the picture that present. The next nutrition is calcium. Calcium play an important role in plant growth. It serves as a strengthen or a greater strong of the cell wall and support root and shoot development. Aid in nutrient uptakes play a critical role in cell division. The symptom of calcium, the leaf is scarring and deformation, rot of leaf matching, poor shoot development, brown spot on young leaves, and also reduce leaf expansion or the leaf size, as you can see in the picture that present. Next nutrition is magnesium. Magnesium play a important role in the plant growth. It's a bit similar with the calcium as a strengthening of root and shoot development, aiding nutrient uptakes, and then it's help to empower plant growth and reduce stagnant growth. Here are some symptoms of nutrition of magnesium. The leaf is strong, and the color is turning light green and yellowing between leaf veins. The outer leaves are affected first. Lastly, nutrition that I'm going to present is sins. Sins play an important role. Has the key roles in enzyme function, hormone production, and protein synthesis. Here are some symptoms of sins. The leaf is turning brown on the leaf veins, and also plant show chlorosis and necrotics. It's reduced leaf size and poor pod shape, which is in the world of porous. Thank you.
Thank you, Fakita. I will continue on with the last section of our micronutrients deficiency. The first one is boron. The role of boron, it is important in sugar translocation and carbohydrate metabolisms. The deficiency symptoms of boron is the upper leaves turn yellow and becomes mottled with small brown necrotic spots. It is also the leaf margins are bending down. Next one is iron. Iron plays a critical role in chlorophyll synthesis and in enzymes for electron transfer. The deficiency symptoms of iron is intraveinal chlorosis of the young leaves, and later on the complete leaves include the veins turn yellow to white. Also, brown or whitish necrotic spots may occur near the leaf edges. The third micronutrient deficiency is copper. The role of copper is it acts as a catalyst for respiration, and the deficiency symptoms of copper is yellowing discoloration on the upper and the medium leaves of the beans, and also the browning of leaf tips. The last micronutrient deficiency is molybdenum. The role of molybdenum it is essential and needed in the nitrogenase enzyme formation of nitrogen fixation. The symptom was the deficiency symptom of molybdenum, since it is needed in the formation of nitrogen. The symptoms include yellowing of outer leaves, which is similar to nitrogen symptom deficiency, and also poor nitrogen fixation. To conclude with, to a farmer, a major challenge of a productive and healthy growth of crops is nutrient deficiency or nutrient shortages. Every nutrient is unique and play a critical role in the development of plants. So deficiencies in any of these nutrients can cause specific visual symptoms that impact the overall health and yield of crops, like the beans. Early recognition of the signs of this nutrient deficiency will allow farmers to take actions to maximize crop performance and productivity. References on the slides. Thank you.